guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today we're doing an unboxing, a very unexpected one at that. I actually got sent a Days of Beauty box from Dollar General of all places. So this is something they sent to me. I didn't know I was getting it. I knew there was a chance, but I wasn't sure. So I thought we would unbox it together and see what's inside, see what is good from Dollar General, see what you guys want me to test out and report back to you on. So if that sounds good, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, don't forget to click that subscribe button. This is the last video I'm uploading before I select my winner from my 400 subscriber giveaway. I'll leave the video linked in the cards here if you're interested in entering. And yeah, other than that, I upload twice a week. It's totally free to subscribe and I would love to have you back on the channel. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box. So first off, I have to give a big shout out to Juicy Jazz, and I'm gonna leave her channel linked in the cards here because she's the one on her stories on Instagram, I believe, that was talking about these Dollar General Days of Beauty. I guess they've done this before, and she had links where you could sign up to try to get a box, but it wasn't guaranteed you would get one. So I didn't know that I was getting one for certain until it showed up on my doorstep. So here it is. Here is the inside. Oh, it's so big, you guys, such a huge package. They had a live stream event on the 16th of July. Dollar General does have an Instagram at Dollar General Beauty. I love buying beauty products at Dollar General. Now, I don't know what else in here. Like I said, I haven't opened it, but I'm really hoping there's some Believe Beauty because I love that brand. Their cream blushes are excellent. So let's see what's all in here. So first off, I see there is an edge styler. This is from Kiss, which you might know them from their nails or lashes. And let me tell you, I've been kind of interested in this, but I don't know really what to do because I have like a cowlick in the front and I have baby hairs and I need to learn how to style them or lay them right. I also recently got a mint wig. I really would love to learn how to correctly install wigs, and I know to make them more realistic, a lot of times people do cut around the roots to make kind of like edges or baby hairs to make it look more realistic. So maybe this will be something I use to figure that out. I think I'm gonna try to pull all the like hair stuff together because there is quite a bit of hair product in here. They do have a water-based styling gel. This is from Eco. Repairs, conditions, defines, moisturizes. This type of gel is perfect for like these baby hairs. Like I have some of these flyaways right now, so I'll show you what I would do with this. What I would do is take like a spoolie, put a little bit in the gel, and you can actually use it to like smooth down the baby flyaways so that they stay gelled down and you don't have like all of this frizz on your hair. So that's what I would use it for and what I will plan on using this gel for. Got some shea butter, which you could use for the hair. I'll end up using it for the skin for like a body moisturizer for me, but you could use it as a hair product. There is some coconut oil, which is to hydrate and strengthen. It's like a leave-in cream. That's usually for like coils and curls. Obviously, they didn't know, what my hair type was. I don't have curly hair, but I'm sure I could still use this as a moisturizer. If not, I probably have somebody in my life with curly hair that could get use out of that. Same thing for this. We have the Curl La La Defining Curl cream for hair. And we've also got some shampoo and detangler. So that's really nice. I would love to use that. I love shampoo with like argan oil in it. It's really nice. My hair seems to like that a lot. Also in the hair category, we have the Got to Be Glued Styling Spiking Glue. Same thing as before. Like I've heard people say they use this for their baby hairs or to actually like glue down the lace in their lace front wigs. So maybe if I can figure that out. We've also got some little, these are from Shea Moisture, some little like sample packets of different like smoothies, they call them, different like leave-in conditioners. And then I'm really excited about this. This is from the brand Root to End. I've tried their purple shampoo and their dry shampoo and I really have liked both. And this is a replenishing hair mask that they put in there from that brand. So I've liked everything from this brand so far from Dollar General. I think the last hair item in here is from Scoony. These little scrunchies, they're so cute. I'm actually looking forward to this because I just bought, let me see, where is it? I just bought this from Ulta. It's from Kitsch, the satin heatless curling set. And I think you need like a scrunchie at the bottom. So I'm gonna test this out possibly tonight and use the scrunchies from this box. See if I can get some heatless curls going, because I know like it only takes like 15 minutes to do curls, but sometimes even 15 minutes is just not in the cards, you know what I mean? So we're gonna see how this combo works. All right, next up we got the Eucerin Original Healing Lotion. So we've got some lotion for dry skin, love that. We've got some razors. So we've got from Bic these Soleil Escape, I don't know how you say that, some razors. And then they also gave us from Joy the pink one, this razor. So we got some razors to use. We'll definitely use those. We've also got a headscarf here as well that is absolutely gorgeous. I missed that one in the hair section. We've got a couple nail products. So from Maybelline, we've got the Fast Gel Nail Lacquer in shade Ruby Glitz. It's like kind of holographic looking. I don't know if you'll be able to see it on the camera, but it's like a pink gel base with holographic little like flakies in it. So I would think that might not be a color on its own, or maybe more of a topper, I'm not sure. And then from Sally Hansen, the Hard As Nails Nail Clinic in a Bottle. It's like a hardener or strengthening treatment for your nails, which mine have been okay like the past month, but I know during the school year I'm so rough on them and they chip so bad, so I probably will end up using this then. Okay, and finally the part I'm the most excited for, the makeup stuff. So let's see what we've got. From Neutrogena, we've got some makeup remover ultra soft cleansing towelettes. I've definitely used these before. I think a lot of makeup lovers have. I try not to use too many makeup wipes just because they're not super environmental, but I will admit I use them if I do like any sort of swatches or anything like that, just because it's easy to clean it off my arm. So I'll definitely keep this around for that purpose. Then we've got from CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean Volume Mascara. I've tried the regular Lash Blast that's in like the orange container, but I've never tried this clean version. I think I liked the Lash Blast, like the orange one, but if I remember right and looking at this, I think that the wand was like super pokey just because of how plasticky it was. So we'll see how I like that. But I do like that it claims to be smudge proof, we'll see, and that it's formulated without parabens, sulfates, talc, or mineral oil. So yeah, I'm curious to try that. I know some of you are interested in clean brands, so I can definitely keep you posted on that if you're interested. Also, as far as clean makeup is concerned, they sent me the CoverGirl Clean Liquid Foundation. This one's in shade 120 Creamy Natural, which I don't remember them asking me my foundation shade. Maybe they did, but I think this will actually work pretty well for me. And I have tried CoverGirl foundation before, but like not since I don't think high school. Like I don't think I have any in my collection right now even. And I've definitely never tried this clean one. So I'll be curious to see how that is and what the finish of it is, because it doesn't really say anything about, oh, here it is. Natural lightweight coverage that feels and looks fresh. So lightweight, maybe it'll be a medium coverage at best, but that's okay. I don't mind that on a day-to-day basis. And then finally, last but not least, is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara. You guys, I've still yet to try this. I know it's been like everywhere, and I love the look of this wand, especially for the lower lash line, like how skinny it is. So I'm super excited to try this just with all the hype that's been around it. And I actually love that it's not a full size, it's a little mini, because it takes so long to go through mascara. And I know some people might be like, that's a problem. I want it to last a long time, but for me, I get bored easily. So I like the little ones because then I can switch out what I want more frequently. And I have so many. So this lets me try it without having a full size in case I don't like it or I get bored of it. But yeah, guys, that's the whole box. So I am actually shocked that there was no Believe Beauty in this. I really am, especially since that's a beauty brand that's exclusively at Dollar General. I really thought there would be something from that brand in here, but super, super happy to be trying out this beauty box. A lot of hair care, nail care, it's like skincare, razors, makeup. Like we had a good blend of a lot of different things. So again, let me know if there's anything in this box that you want me to report back on. Like you're like, ooh, how is that? Like, is that actually good? Because as we know, sometimes Dollar General is affordable. However, it's kind of like, well, I don't care if it's a good deal if it doesn't do anything. You know what I mean? Like sometimes you have to spend a little bit more to get a little bit more. I'd rather spend a little bit more and have it actually work than maybe I save some money, but if it does nothing, I might as well have gotten nothing to begin with instead of spending even a little bit. I don't know how you guys feel about that, but that's my thoughts. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. And I don't know, I feel like some of you have been asking for drugstore versus high-end, things like that. So maybe I can do a video where I show you like some of my favorite things that you can get from Dollar General or drugstores, things like that. Let me know in the comments down below, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye!